Welcome, today I'm showing you how to check battery health information into a Huawei Nova 9 SE. First of all, open your app gallery, close ads, and then need find Ampere application. Press continue. Now wait a second for opening and downloading application. Click allow and install. And we got success message, so go into our Ampere, click yes I agree, close, and OK. And press OK. Now swipe on the right, and here in the second column on the top we got our health information. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.